Portronics, the renowned Indian electronics brand, has unveiled its latest offerings for the gaming community with the introduction of the K1 and K2 mechanical gaming keyboards. These keyboards are tailored to meet the demands of gamers seeking precision, speed, and reliability in their gaming peripherals. The K1 model is equipped with blue tactile switches, ideal for users who prefer a satisfying feedback sensation with each key press. On the other hand, the K2 variant boasts red linear switches, providing a smoother, quieter keystroke experience. Both keyboards feature a sturdy ABS full-body construction, ensuring durability during intense gaming sessions. With 104 full-sized backlit keys, gamers can enjoy both functionality and visually appealing aesthetics. A standout feature of the K1 and K2 keyboards is their anti-ghosting technology, allowing gamers to execute complex commands by simultaneously pressing multiple keys without losing inputs. This is a crucial advantage for competitive gaming where precise and rapid inputs can make all the difference. Additionally, both models are designed with raised kickstands for ergonomic comfort, promoting extended gaming sessions without discomfort. Adding to the immersive gaming experience, these keyboards offer customizable RGB lighting with over 20 dynamic modes. Gamers can personalize their setup with vibrant lighting effects that match their style and mood. Furthermore, the keyboards have undergone rigorous durability testing to ensure long-lasting performance. For ease of use, the K1 and K2 keyboards come with a 1.5-meter cable, providing convenient connectivity to gaming rigs. Gamers can purchase these keyboards through Portronics' official website, as well as leading online retailers such as Amazon and Flipkart. Additionally, these gaming keyboards are available at select offline stores, making them easily accessible to gaming enthusiasts across India.